Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Nothing CMF1 in 2025 and seeing if it's still worth buying. The CMF1, first released in 2023, is still a strong choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly phone with solid features. Its 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display is bright and colorful, and the phone itself is lightweight and easy to hold at just 197 grams. Under the hood, it has a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor and up to 8 GB of RAM. That means it can handle daily tasks, browsing, and social apps smoothly. Plus, running Nothing OS 2.6, the interface is clean and simple, so it's easy to use for everyone. The 5MP rear camera takes detailed photos, and updates in 2025 have made it even better. It performs well for daylight shots, social media content, and casual photography, which is impressive for a phone in this price range. Battery life is strong too. With a 5000 mAh battery, you can easily get around 15 hours of normal use, and fast charging ensures you won't be stuck waiting long to get back to using it. Nothing also keeps providing software updates, like the April 2025 security patch, so the phone stays secure and optimized. For the price, the CMF1 offers features you'd usually find in more expensive phones, making it a smart pick if you want a stylish, capable phone without spending too much. That's our look at the CMF1 in 2025. If you liked this review, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.